Okay, in this kitchen, we are going to resurface these cabinets. They're going to white. And we're going to resurface these Formica countertops. They're going to have a black primer with Summit Gray Multi-Stone Fleck. And it is going to be gorgeous. Kitchen is done. We resurfaced the kitchen countertops. They were some kind of a bluish purple. Now they're, black with Summit Gray Fleck and a clear coat with high gloss on there. Cabinets are white, low sheen. And yeah, in and out in 2.5 days. Or was it 3? Might have been 3.5. 2.5 or 3.5, I don't remember. But you don't have to spend thousands and thousands of dollars to replace some cabinets. These cabinets are gorgeous now, waterproof, super easy to wash. Same thing with this countertop. It is now non-porous, super easy to clean. Yep, you can throw mustard on here and not worry about it. Come back a month later and wipe it right off. They are going to be repainting these walls, which is why I oversprayed them. We don't normally overspray walls, but since they're going to be painting them tomorrow, I'm not worried about it. So anyway, just saved these people lots of money, and it looks great. Kabam! Welcome to the world of resurfacing.